Hi, my name is Brianna. This is a pure auburn look I've created using Koleston Perfect.
Bring me to life, 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 bring me to life.
I've chosen to layer together 3 colors to create the multi-dimensional effect, plus a glossing, which you will see later on.
Bring me to life, bring me to life, bring me to life, bring me to life.
For the top section, work in a herringbone pattern, from the crown towards the front. I really like to place more lightness around the face, so I'm introducing more of my Formula C here.
Bring me to life, bring me to life.
Finally, I apply a glossing all over the hair for rich color and perfect shine.
Bring me to life.